Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I created this look which is very subtle, very neutral, but yet with a bold lips. That's the touch of this look. You can do this on your date night, night glam, night out party, whenever you want. So let's get started, and before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that bell icon. So without wasting any further time, let's dive into the video and let's get started. Starting off with my makeup, I'm using this Ellie Gold Pro Concealer to conceal and correct the areas wherever I have pigmentations. To blend this out, I'm going to use this big sponge from PAC. For my foundation, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus in the shade Bronze Bench. I'm using it for the first time. I bought this product way back, but I didn't have used it. This is my first time I'm using it, and I am really shook by the result. It's a drugstore foundation, and oh my god, it's a super full coverage foundation. You will be shook by the result. Oh gosh, look at the coverage, guys. I'm using it for the first time, but I am in love with it. For contouring, I'm using this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette in the shade Medium Moin. To contour my nose, I'm using this eyeshadow blending brush just to be more precise. Also keep in mind, while contouring your nose, you have to blend your contouring with your eyebrows. For my cheeks, I'll be using this Calabar Chiclicious blush in the shade Bronzing Glaze. I'll be using it very lightly. For the highlighter, I'll be using this NYX 3 Steps to Sculpt palette again. For my brows, I'll be using this brow pencil from Forever 52. So first I'll comb my brows with this spoolie, and then from the pencil side I'll fill it in. On the eyes, I'm using the same contour powder which I have used from the NYX palette to contour my face, just to give it a little color to the eyes. Using the same color on the lower lash line, now I'm curling the lashes with the lash curler. To put some mascara, I'm using this Dior Plump and Volume mascara. To highlight the inner corners of the eyes, I'll be using this Makeup Revolution Brick Palette. And for the lips, I'll be using this Color Bar Lip Liner Lip Definer Pencil in the shade Red 001. Now to fill in the lips, I'm using this Kiko Milano in the shade Red. It's a liquid matte lipstick. It's kind of a maroonish red color. I don't remember the shade, but I'll surely write it in the description box so that you guys can check it out. To fix my makeup, I'm using this NYX Matte Setting Spray. And woohoo, the makeup is done. Here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is really subtle, really glam. It's kind of a natural glam with bold lips. So yes, this is the look which I've created for you guys. I hope you guys like it and enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button and share it with your friends.